This exercise is called a McGill curl-up. So it's popular. This next exercise is called the McGill curl-up because it was popularized by Stuart McGill, who is one of the leading experts in back pain management. So we're gonna go ahead and get on our backs. And one of the things that he focuses on is he talks a lot about the pressure that's in the disc, which I've mentioned a lot too. And when people do regular curl-ups like this, what happens is when you come up and do a sit-up or a curl-up, your low back actually flexes. You start to round out the spine, which that movement mimics the mechanics of getting a disc protrusion, of getting a herniation. So we want to try to avoid that flexion. We already do a lot of that during the day. So what he suggests doing is he has you bring one leg out and then one knee bent. Having that knee bent helps to bring your pelvis back a little bit, okay? And then he puts a hand under the low back to maintain the arch in the spine. That sounds familiar. So we're gonna keep it there, and then you're gonna do a slight curl up where what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to lift your head and your shoulder blades off the ground barely. He talks about lifting them up just slightly. So it's like imagine that your head and your shoulder blades are on a scale, and he says to lift them up to unweigh yourself, to make the scale 0. So it's just enough to come up. And as you do that, you want to hollow your abdomen. Okay, engage those abdominals. Good. And then you're going to hold for a couple seconds. Okay, you can do variations. You can just go up and down, 3 sets of 10, or you can do some holds. You can hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, you can hold for 10 seconds, and I wouldn't go above 10 seconds. So these are the McGill curl-ups.